Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, we're going to fix the power steering. So we need to straighten out the fitting for that there. We need to put some heat sleeves onto the high pressure line and low pressure line that I've made down there. We obviously need to connect that hose and fill her up. Let's do it. Right, it's getting a bit cold here, so we do have the heater running. So if you can hear something in the background, it's most likely that. Here is the line that we need to straighten out. So let's get to doing that. Got it straightened out. Actually ended up bolting it in there, and it came up a bit. Then I bent it down, and just a couple of little whacks with the hammer. That flattened it out. So we're good now. So we'll just find an O-ring for that. There is one there, but it doesn't look the best. So yeah, I've got some O-rings there somewhere. Get that on, get the other hose on, or the hose that goes from that, and get the heat sleeves on. Right, here's my assortment of O-rings. What's that one? It's one that came off it. I need a thin one. Fuddy won't fit down there. Right, I've got one on there. Just need to tighten it up. Hopefully it's all good. We'll get the hose down to there. That should connect onto that hose. Yeah. We're going to tidy this engine bay up. Alright guys, while I've got the reservoir up to get the hose on, I'm actually going to disconnect it here and slide the heat sleeves on. Alright, so this wasn't actually tight yet. Undo that. So the heat sleeves that I got are 25mm. So they should be able to get over those fittings. Fingers crossed they do. So I've got a decent amount. I'll do about 30cm. Yeah, 30cm on each one. Should do it. Alright. Hopefully this is alright. Fitting will definitely get in there. Awesome. It's going all the way down to the other fitting, the other end. It's good. Comes up to here. I don't think this one's tight either. Should have done that one first. I think that one goes under the other one. Oh my god. Just trying to undo the wrong bit. I think I might have to get up on the engine again. Oh yeah. This one that I'm doing now goes under the up pipe, and the other one goes above the up pipe. I think I might put another sleeve on this oil drain here, if you can see it. Probably not. Well, anyway, the GT35's oil drain. Hopefully I can get it over the fittings. Not liking. Oh yeah. Yeah. Don't be like that. Damn it. Okay guys, I'm actually taking this fitting off. It's the 45. So we can slide the sleeve over. Better work. Yay. Sick. I'm stuck. Alright guys, so the heat protection is done there. Might be able to see it just there. So that comes up past where the heat is. So just put the reservoir back in, connect up all the hoses, and we should be good. I know I said last episode that I'll probably put the covers on, but I think it's going to be too hard actually, and I'll just wait until we get the engine out to do the cams, which should be coming in June. So I've still got to collect a few more parts to do that upgrade. Obviously I'm going to have to wait for some shims once I get them in, to make sure they're all the gap, but yeah, we'll get the covers on then. Yeah, we can put power steering with the normal belt back on, so we can have the alternator charging now, which is great. Okay, so I've tightened up all of the lines. Now I just got to remember where I put the belt. And it was just where the power steering line was. Now we need to tighten this up. Cool. And then tighten this one up. Just 12 again. Let's do that one. I'm going to put this guard on. See if I can find it. Found it. So that's gonna need another paint. Alright, let's put that on. And there's an AC one, which is plastic. Sick. Alright guys, I've got that all fitted, and there was a little insert that I needed to find for that rubber grommet there. Found that, hopefully it was the right one. Got a bolt in there, all good. I think that might be it for this episode, guys. Next episode we're going to be painting some more things, make it look a bit more pretty, and hopefully we would have picked up some argon by then, so we can finish off the exhaust. So guys, if you enjoyed this episode, keep watching up here, and thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next episode. Bye.